Carlos Carrasco and the Indians are in Toronto, facing Mike Bolsinger in his Blue Jays debut. Top of the second, Cleveland will get Carrasco some support. Lonnie Chisenhall goes the other way for an RBI double. Into scores Edwin Encarnacion, 1-0 Tribe. Bottom five now, it's 2-zip. Darwin Barney grounds up the middle. Jason Kipnis makes the nice play behind the bag to end the frame. Top of the seventh, the Indians pad their lead. Francisco Lindor laces one into left field for an RBI ground rule double off J.P. Howe. It's 3-0 Indians. Bottom seven, Carrasco caps off his night by striking out Justin Smoke. 7 scoreless and just 3 hits with 7 Ks for Carrasco. Top of the eighth, Yan Gomes helps the Indians pull away with a 3-run shot off Aaron Loup. Cleveland wins 6-0. Carlos Carrasco has won all 4 of his road starts this year. Kendrys Morales leaves early for the Blue Jays with hamstring tightness. This 3-game set concludes Wednesday. Danny Salazar goes for the Indians. Francisco Liriano starts for the Jays.